I just wanted to just share this quick story about something that just happened at Chipotle. So I'm out here doing errands and it is lunchtime. I realized that Chipotle is nearby. So, you know, it's been a while. I just came back from a trip from Hawaii. They don't have no Chipotle over there. So I decided to go over there and go over to Chipotle. And I walk up to the counter and just go through the whole spiel. Say, hey, how's it going? Can I get a burrito? But I remember there is a point in the conversation where I was like, okay, this is it. This is when I could start having a conversation with this guy. Guys, the meter kind of changed, and you know, we went into conversation as if we're like friends, you know? And also there's like this other girl that was working too. She looked like she was in a good mood and we were all, you know, joking around and stuff. And honestly, we just had a great interaction. And I'm not even saying it's like a full-on conversation, but then we just had like a friendly interaction between a couple people, you know? This is the part of the story that stuck out to me, that the reason why I'm even telling you this story. And is this. I asked, hey, how much does double meat cost? And then he said, oh, it's on me. Hearing that, I was like, wait, hold on. And he's like, oh, it's on me. The double meat's on me. So did you want like some chicken or like, yeah. And I was kind of like almost, but I was kind of like, wow, this guy's so nice. That just made me think about, would that have happened if I wasn't nice? Would that have happened if I didn't have a conversation? The reason why I tell you this story is because it made me think about the impact that being genuine and how big of an impact that can have on the other person, and how that can lead to them wanting to be generous. Because we're talking about conversation and we're just giving. You know, we're giving our good energy, good vibes to these other people when we're doing that. And we're giving them good conversation. We're giving them the benefit of breaking out of their autopilot when they're at work, giving them laughter. And when we're willing to just to give that to other people, I notice from the years that people are willing to give back. There are people who are more apt to want to give back. Disclaimer to this, what I'm not saying is be genuine, make people laugh and stuff like that to get stuff from people. That's absolutely not what I want to do, what I'm saying to do. But rather, what I am saying is integrating these things into your personality, integrating these things into the person that you are for the purpose of being an impact on someone and just spreading a little light to someone's day. If we're talking about receiving anything, receiving the fact that you maybe lighten someone's day up a little bit.